Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful painting in simple 3 steps. So let's get started. Before stepping into the painting, first let's draw the outline. Now in the first step we are going to paint the stem and the leaves. So you can see in this painting I am going to use full of neon colors. So here I choose the color neon green and neon yellow. So first I take my round brush and I am going to just smudge the color beyond the outline. So in this painting we have a glowing flower and glowing leaves. To have this glowing effect we have to smudge the color beyond the outline, so we will have a glowing effect in the end. At first it maybe seems a little confusion, so later you will get the idea when I finish the painting. So just believe your process and just smudge the color beyond the outline. So here you can see I am smudging the color beyond the outline of the leaf. So in this way we are going to repeat the process again and again. Using my liner brush, I am going to paint the stem now. So you can see now I am painting the stem in the color neon green. So just I am going to paint the stem now. But this time we have to give the color within our outline. If you are following my page for a long time, you might know I paint from the suggestion of my followers. So this time your follower asked me to paint a glowing flower in a dark place using the neon colors. I really love this painting. Please let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting after you watch the full tutorial. Once we finish filling the color inside the outline, now we are going to add the light values in our painting. So you can see now I take the color neon yellow and I am going to add the outline here. So this way we can have the beautiful outline and the clarity of our painting. In the second step, we are painting the bud and the grass. So first start with the bud. So you can see I am going to do the same thing again. I just smudge the color beyond the outline. So once the color is completely dry, we are going to add more details. So now you can see I am doing the same thing for the bud. As the background color is really dark, we couldn't get the vibrancy of the color. So I am going to add more colors on this layer. Here I am adding more details in this place. You can see I am adding the dark values and gradually I am going to add the light values in our painting. So we have the crisp clarity of the bud here. I mix the color white with neon pink and I am going to apply the color for the base. So this color is really beautiful. Now let's add some grass around this plant. So we are going to paint some grass here. So here I use the same round brush. You can use a small size flat brush as well, and that also give the same result. And we are going to paint them in the color medium green. As they are far from this glowing planet, we don't need a very vibrant grass here. So just take the color medium green. I am going to just draw some shapes of the grass here. So we just need individual blades of grass. And now let's add some details in the bud. So you can see here I use the color neon yellow. So this color makes the bud even more vibrant. And let's add some highlights here. So in the third step we are going to paint the flower. So now this time I am going to use another technique for a glowing effect. Instead of applying the color all the area and beyond the outline. Now I am going to blend only the beyond the outline. In this way we can save our time and we can also save our paint. So I am going to try this technique here. Now let's fill the color light neon pink. So here mix the color white and neon pink to get this beautiful color. In the tip of the petals we can add the color neon yellow, so this makes our flower more beautiful and vibrant. Here I am applying more yellow on this layer, so this layer will become really vibrant than before. If you are watching my tutorial for the first time, let me introduce myself. I am Rexana. I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. So if you find my tutorial is really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates about my paintings. If you like this, please give a like, comment and share to this painting tutorial. Now let's see the final outlook of this painting. I really love this painting. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.